What if I told you that the app or tool you've been dreaming about building, you could have it running by the end of this video? Not a rough prototype, not a half-broken demo. A fully functional, good-looking web app built with a single prompt. I know that sounds like the kind of thing every AI video promises and never delivers, so I actually did it. I built my own all-in-one productivity tool from scratch, and honestly, the result is amazing. Stick around, because I'm walking you through the entire process step by step. Here's what's changing right now, and most people are sleeping on it. We're not in the chat with AI era anymore. That phase is done. We're moving into something way more powerful. Autonomous agents that don't just answer your questions, they actually build things for you. Full projects, real infrastructure, working apps. Most people are still using AI like a search engine, but the people building real things, they've already moved on to tools like Trae SOLO, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. No coding experience required. This is vibe coding at its most powerful, so let's get into it. The tool is called Trae SOLO, and you'll find the link in the description below. You can download the desktop version directly from their site. You will find two desktop applications available, Trae IDE and Trae SOLO, and both work on Mac. The one we need to use is Trae SOLO, but the Windows version of this is coming very soon, and it might already be out by the time you're watching this, so definitely check. Before we jump into the build, let me quickly show you why this tool is so versatile. For marketing and operations, you can upload competitor reports and instantly turn them into strategies, dashboards, or landing pages. Product managers can generate full PRDs straight from meeting notes and turn rough ideas into working prototypes in minutes. Data scientists can clean, analyze, and visualize complex data sets using the built-in Python and automation support. And for UI and UX, you can take design files and convert them directly into brand guidelines or interactive prototypes. Instead of bouncing between 5 different tools, Trae SOLO handles all of it in one place, from the initial idea all the way to execution. And to prove that, let's actually build something. All right, let's walk through a real build from scratch. For this tutorial, I'm using the Trae SOLO web version. It's great for getting started quickly, but if you want more advanced features and capabilities, the desktop version is the way to go. Once you're inside the tool, you can use the code mode or switch into MTC mode or more than coding, which can handle other tasks like research, data mining, or content creation. Now, I already have a detailed prompt prepared for the productivity app I want to build. It's called Momentum OS, an all-in-one productivity web app that combines task management, timers, checklists, habit tracking, and weekly and monthly progress analytics, all wrapped inside a modern bento-style dashboard. Think of it like a personal performance system designed to keep you consistent, focused, and aware of your progress over time. I paste that prompt into the chat box, hit go, and let Solo do its thing. What happens next is really cool. Solo immediately starts planning out the project. Over on the right sidebar, you'll see a live to-do list appear, and that's Solo's own checklist, not yours. It's literally organizing its own workflow and checking off tasks as it completes them. You just watch. And this is one of the things that makes Trae SOLO genuinely different. Unlike a lot of other AI tools, Solo can handle multiple tasks simultaneously on the cloud, so nothing is blocked waiting for something else to finish. It acts like a senior engineer. It plans first, executes second, and then reviews its own work for errors. That thinking phase at the beginning means the code it produces is structurally sound from the start, not something you have to go back and patch 10 times. As it works, you can see it generate a full description of the app, a technical architecture breakdown, the technology stack, and all the root definitions. It's not just writing code, it's engineering a real project. And then, within just a few minutes, it's done. Testing the app, click to run the app, and let's see what we actually got. You can throw it into full screen for the full experience, and honestly, this looks really good. Momentum OS, your personal operating system. Fully functional, clean interface, everything in place. There are 4 main sections: dashboard, tasks, habits, and analytics, each with its own dedicated page. Let's test it. I'll try adding a new weekly goal, and yes, it works. And here's a nice detail. You can actually track the progress of each goal by assigning it a value between 1 and 100. So however you want to measure it, you have that flexibility. You can also delete tasks and goals just as easily. Over in the focus section, there's a Pomodoro timer built right in. You can set it, reset it, customize the time, and it tracks how many minutes you spend in focus mode throughout the day. That's a genuinely useful feature. The task page shows all your active tasks at a glance. The habits page lets you add new habits and track them either daily or weekly, depending on what you're building. And then the analytics page pulls it all together. Monthly focus time, number of tasks completed, consistency score. It gives you an actual picture of your productivity over time. All of that built from a single prompt in just just a few minutes. And this is just the starting point. From here, you can keep improving it, add more features, connect it to a database, or deploy it and make it publicly available for anyone to use. All of that is very doable, especially once you're working in the desktop version. One important thing to know, Trae SOLO is currently in beta, but you can get access for free right now using an invite code. All you have to do is follow Trae AI's official X account, and they'll share the code there. Link is in the description. Go build something. If this was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. It genuinely helps the channel. See you in the next one.